Hi there, grade 10s, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing possible questions for term 2. I saw how well my term 1 video did, so I thought let's do it for term 2 as well. So with this video, I've taken the learning objectives of what learners are supposed to learn after that chapter, and I've just taken them and adapted them that they can become possible questions so you can prepare yourself better for the exams coming up now in June, to know how they ask questions and what is asked from you for every chapter. The best way to prepare, I would watch the term 1 video that I posted as well as the term 2 video. As we know, term 1 and term 2 will be included in the June exams. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. I hope that was insightful, impactful. Please let me know down below what you thought. Please give this video a like if you found it to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.